Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidley with your Business Bites. Telecommunications companies are eyeing Digicel's Pacific operations. The latest report from the Irish Times is that Australian phone giant Telstra has made a bid totaling £1.7 billion to acquire Digicel's Pacific operations. The bid is a part of the Australian government's push to keep China out of the Pacific. Now, according to a liquidation analysis by KPMG, Digicel Pacific is the least indebted part of the wider group. Sales at medical disposables and supplies are beginning to normalize, resulting in profits more than doubling in 2020. Now, CEO of the company, Kurt Booth, said the company's improved position is a direct result of the deliberate investment in cultivating internal infrastructure. He added that although the company was affected by the initial impact of the coronavirus pandemic, it was proactive in using the period to retool for post-COVID-19 success. Kingston Properties is closer to launching its additional public offering APO. Chairman of the company, Garfield Sinclair, made the disclosure while addressing concerns about the company's $700 million bridge loan.
It's just treasury, it's treasury management. It's needing to conclude acquisitions from a timing standpoint, and it contemplates an eventual APO that, like I keep saying, is pretty, we hope, is fairly imminent.
Bureau of Standards Jamaica is raising the bar for some household appliances. Consumers are being told to look out for an energy efficiency label while they shop.
Manufacturers, importers, retailers, distributors, with the intention of selling any of the aforementioned products in Jamaica will be required to have each model unit registered and tested and an energy efficiency label affixed prior to being offered to the market.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidley.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.